Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Lythar. I'm a hijab stylist with Islamic Design House. Today I'm going to show you different hijab styles to try out with the new exclusive silk root hijab collection done by British artist Ruh Al Alam of Visual Dik. This one is one of my absolute favorites. It's got the word hubb on it, which means love in Arabic. As you can see, it's really nice freestyle calligraphy. It's got bold colors. You can wear it with different styles, different colors. You can wear it to uni, to work. I really like this one.
Hope you like the tutorial. Hit subscribe so you don't miss out on all the great videos we're making for you. Tell us what kind of videos you'd like us to do in the comments section below, and we'll post out a free super cute vanity mirror to the 10 best suggestions, courtesy of IslamicDesignHouse.com.